Private investigator Scott Ross trying to unlock a mystery. Why would one man
$495 price tag
have weapons like this?
Clip holsters.
Holsters, gun locks, cleaners, casings.
It's just one box. And there are hundreds.
That's an understatement. Police seized 1,200 firearms in this upscale Pacific Palisades townhome. That's right, 1,200 pristine new guns, some with the tags still on them. Officers also found nearly 7 tons, yes, tons of ammunition, the largest weapon seizure from one home that the LAPD recalls.
And they basically had an assembly line where they passed them from one to another into the truck until the truck was filled with guns and ammo. We had to go bring back another truck.
That's not all police found. Piles of cash, $230,000. As to what he planned to do with it all, we may never know. That's because Jeffrey Allen Lash, age 60, was found in this SUV just outside his condo, decomposing there for more than 2 weeks. Lash's life, intensely private, became public when his fiancée called lawyer Harlan Braun.
I just assumed that she was a crazy lady who was coming up with some bizarre story.
The story, as she told it, Lash worked for multiple secret government spy agencies. He collected weapons. Lash also suffered from cancer. And as it turns out, his fiancée is the one who helped him into the car, putting a blanket over his body. When he died, Lash promised his fiancée his, quote, people would take care of everything, taking away his body and his guns. She believed him?
Absolutely. For 17 years, she believed him. Probably very intelligent, very manipulative person. Or maybe it's actually true. Maybe she believed what was true. He wasn't a drug dealer. He wasn't a survivalist. He wasn't a gun merchant. It's inexplicable at this time.
One of the many mystifying parts for investigators, Lash appeared to have no income, no job, no criminal record, no family. But you can't just dismiss him as a hoarder because he amassed a weapons collection worth millions. So who is Jeffrey Allen Lash?
Just a nice, ordinary guy with a fascination for weapons.
That may be, but even Lash's own attorney of 30 years can't explain where he got all the money.
We never spoke about what he did for a living, and that's because I had the impression he didn't do anything for a living.
It's so bizarre. I mean, I don't know, did he inherit money? I mean, is it even legal to have that many weapons? I guess it is.
Well, as crazy as it sounds, because we asked that exact question to the LAPD, there isn't a limit of how many weapons you can own. He could own even more if they are all registered, if they are legal in the state, if they are secured. That's what the LAPD is working through. The bigger concern for them, Anderson, is this is a fire zone. All of California is. Imagine if there had been a fire with 6.5 tons of ammunition inside this home.